7 things that make you a nice guy. Being a nice guy is often associated with certain qualities and behaviors that are considered positive and respectful. Here are 7 things that can make you a nice guy, explained. Respectful and polite. Nice guys are respectful and polite to others. They treat people with courtesy and kindness, regardless of their gender, age, or background. They say please and thank you and use good manners in their interactions. Empathetic. Nice guys are empathetic and compassionate. They try to understand the feelings and perspectives of others and show genuine concern for their well-being. They are good listeners and offer emotional support when needed. Honest and trustworthy. Nice guys are honest and trustworthy. They don't manipulate or deceive others, and they keep their promises. People can rely on them because they have integrity and a strong sense of ethics. Helpful and supportive. Nice guys are always willing to lend a helping hand. They offer assistance to friends, family, and even strangers in need. They're supportive in both good times and bad, and they genuinely want to see others succeed and be happy. Respect boundaries. Nice guys respect personal boundaries. They don't pressure or manipulate others into doing things they're uncomfortable with. They understand that everyone has their own limits and are willing to respect those limits. Good communication skills. Nice guys are good communicators. They express themselves clearly and honestly, and they actively listen to what others have to say. They avoid aggressive or confrontational communication and are open to resolving conflicts through healthy dialogue. Self-confidence and independence. While being nice is important, it's also crucial for a nice guy to have self-confidence and independence. They should have a sense of self-worth and not be overly dependent on the validation or approval of others. This allows them to be genuine in their kindness rather than trying to please people at all costs. It's worth noting that being a nice guy should not be confused with being a nice guy in the context of dating, which can have a negative connotation related to manipulative behavior. True kindness and respect for others should be genuine and not driven by ulterior motives. Being a genuinely nice person can lead to positive and fulfilling relationships with others.